In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide your Shopify store. This is useful if you're redesigning your website, performing maintenance, or simply not ready to launch yet. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the left side menu and click on Online Store. Next, select Preferences from the drop-down menu. This section contains important storefront settings including password protection. Now scroll down until you find the password protection section. Here you will see an option to restrict access to your store. Enable the password protection feature by checking the box. Once activated, your Shopify store will no longer be publicly accessible unless visitors have the password. You can also customize the message shown to visitors while your store is hidden. In the message field, type something like "Our store is temporarily unavailable" or "Coming soon" depending on your situation. If you'd like, you can create a custom password and share it only with selected people such as team members or testers. After making your changes, click Save to apply the settings. Now your Shopify store is hidden from the public and protected with a password until you're ready to make it live again. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.